talking. That's their next release, Zyada Savdhan, which is what they will be promoting today. And Niranjan Iyengar is a screenwriter and lyricist who has worked in several films such as Kal Ho Na Ho, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, and most recently, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Can we please call on stage Ayushmann Khurrana, Hitesh Kevalia, and Kalam regular Niranjan Iyengar. Everyone, your panel for the evening.
Hi everybody, how you guys doing?
So good evening, and let's just quickly get into the session because Ayushmann has a flight to catch after this. So you've had a fantastic year. Congratulations on that, and I'm sure everybody here also would like to congratulate you for a fantastic run 2019, 2018, and now it seems like 2020 is also going to begin with a bang. So how do you feel when you look back at these successive successes?
I really don't know what to say. It's kind of a validation that the choices that I'm taking, they're reflecting well with the audience. And it also, I think the credit goes to the audience, which is constantly evolving. That it is receiving these subjects which are progressive. And back in the day, they used to be just part of art house cinema. Now there's this middle of the road cinema, which also is a great collaboration of content and commerce. So I'm glad to be born in this era where audience is also evolving at the same time.
So these days it's pretty common to meet writers, especially in our business, who say कि मेरे पास एक Ayushmann Khurrana type script है. So it's a sort of a genre now, which is an Ayushmann Khurrana type of films, which means it's slice of life, it's real life characters, it's people who are relatable. So what do you feel about this new genre of films, and have you ever encountered anybody who's come to you with a Ayushmann Khurrana type script?
I really don't know what the type is, seriously. But it started with Vicky Donor, which is kind of a case study in Indian cinema, where a taboo-breaking subject scored a decent number at the box office. Nobody thought a film on sperm donation will be received well by the family audience. So I thought that it was a great, as I said, it was a case study. So it was just an extension of that zone which I followed with Dum Laga Ke Aisha or Shubh Mangal Savdhan, or maybe Badhai Ho and Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan. That gave confidence to the writers. But having said that, this particular film, Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, is going to be another case study because it's the first film dealing with homosexuality in the realm of commercial Hindi cinema.
Definitely, and definitely you deserve congratulations for that. And it's really a brave move because I mean, many years ago when we wrote, Karan and I wrote Kal Ho Na Ho, and we had a small bit in it which was a sort of a track with Kanta Ben. I remember really getting to hear a earful from a lot of people when the film released and said, what is this nonsense? So for that, from then to now, where there is a mainstream hero who's playing a homosexual character. So when the script came to you, did you at all have second thoughts, or were you very sure as soon as you read the script that you were doing it?
3 years back, I had given an interview to Filmfare and I was actively looking for a homosexual love story. Because I think India is ready for this. The kind of appreciation we've received for Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan trailer is a testimony that India is absolutely ready for it. And the credit solely goes to Hitesh Kevalia. The kind of script he's written is unbelievable. We're not shying away from anything. It is the core subject is a love story between two boys. It is not a parallel, or it is not by the way. And I'm glad our country is ready for it.
Definitely. So Hitesh, I was just coming to you to ask you this question, that all of these subjects that he mentioned, from Vicky Donor to now Shubmangal Zyada Savdhan, there is definitely, I mean, the issues that are being tackled with a light-hearted view towards it. There is definitely a tongue-in-cheek kind of an approach to it. So would you say that's how it's made palatable to the audience, or was it born like this? Shubmangal Zyada Savdhan. And I'm sure the film is going to be great, because it's going to be a landmark film for us, for all of us, because it deals with a subject matter that's been taboo for so long. So yeah, all the best, Ayushmann, and all
Thank
the
you
best,
so much.
Hitesh.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the house is open for questions. Can mics be handed? Can the mics be handed, please? So, yes.
I thought there'll be questions, but should we? ये तो फरमाइश है, ये सवाल नहीं है. शायरी. चलो एक पहले सीरियस काम कर लेते हैं, बाद में गाना गा लेंगे. हाँ ठीक है. पहले मैं एक कुछ पंक्तियां बोलूंगा अपनी कविता से. मुखौटे उसका नाम है. It goes like, चेहरे ये मुखौटे हैं, मुखौटे ही तो चेहरे हैं. अंदर का राम जला दिया, कैसे उल्टे पड़े दिशहरे हैं. अपनी ही आवाज सुन ना पाए, हम पूर्ण रूप से बहरे हैं. मन की नदी उफान पा न सकी, हम दिखते कितने गहरे हैं. ये मुखौटे कोई उतार ना ले, लगा दिए लाखों पहरे हैं. चेहरे ये मुखौटे हैं, मुखौटे ही तो चेहरे हैं. वो उसके लिए मुझे अपना सेल फोन देखना पड़ेगा. सॉन्ग पहले सवाल कर लेते हैं, बाद में गाना कर लेंगे. सवाल नहीं है, सवाल खत्म कर दिया आपने. या गो फॉर इट. या
So, sir, from Vicky Donor to Shubmangal Savdhan, and now Shubmangal Zyada Savdhan, and I'm specially waiting for Gulabo Sitabo. So, what is your experience working with Amitabh Bachchan?
he's an institution, and he's 70 plus, but he's like 25 in his head, which is great. That's why he's evolving with time. He's the most relevant megastar, and he's one of his kind. And I revered him since childhood. It was a great learning experience working with him. It was part of a bucket list, and it has happened now.
So, this is not a question. Like, I'm a huge fan of Tahira Kashyap, and she's
I'm
my
also
inspiration.
a huge fan of Tahira Kashyap.
Like, more and more power, courage, strength, and love to her.
Thank you. That lady.
Hi, my name is Shirша. I want to know that which makes you more inspired to take this kind of script or this kind of character to portray on silver screen, especially for Vicky Aurora in Vicky Donor, as it was your debut film. Which makes you...
I think novelty inspires me in any kind, in any shape and form. It could be the first attempt in Hindi cinema. That inspires me a lot. And I can't name a particular person. I think any person who's living a mundane life and doing a 9-to-5 job and is still motivated to live, that inspires me. Because as an artist, you have a very vibrant life. You live a different character each day. There are no Sundays and Mondays. But if somebody who's doing a 9-to-5 job, getting up early in the morning, and still he's happy and motivated, that's the biggest inspiration. Okay, go for it. You're loud enough, actually.
Hi Ayushmann.
Thank you. Hi.
Say hi to me first.
Uh-huh.
Say hi to me first, please.
Hi, what's
Say
your name?
hi, Rosalina.
Hi.
Rosalina.
Hi, Rosalina.
I think a song.
Question.
Yeah.
Do you have a dream story in your mind जिसके ऊपर you want to make a picture? And if it is so, then casting कौन-कौन आप लेना चाहेंगे उसमें? कोई topic के ऊपर अगर आपको मूवी बनानी होगी डायरेक्टर के हिसाब से तो वो क्या होगा?
मैं टॉपिक मेरे दिमाग में है 4-5, मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता, लेकिन पिछले साल बोल दिया था एक और फिल्म आ गई थी सेम टॉपिक पे, तो मैं अपने टॉपिक अपने मन में रखना चाहता हूँ, जब वक्त आएगा तो बोलूंगा। और कास्टिंग से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आई थिंक स्क्रिप्ट सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है, अच्छे एक्टर्स लेने चाहिए बस। थैंक यू, लव यू टू। Thank you for the sketch. You've drawn it. What's your name? Avrajita. Onek dhanyawad. Of course I will. Can you pass this sketch to me?
If he misses his flight, definitely.
I think we should just.
I think
we need to catch a flight. I'll sing a song. I thought we're supposed to make it a serious facade because of Lit Fest. My manager told me that it's going to be a very intelligent audience. I was like really nervous. But thank you so much for just.
And after Ayushman sings and hums for us, the trailer of Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan will play for all of us.
Okay. I'll sing the same song which I've been singing for the past 50 years. माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा. I'm not a singer, I told you. माहियाना आया, रांझना ना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, रांझना ना आया. अखां दा नूर वेख के अखियां चो हंजर उड़ गए. Thank you so much.
एक बात बताओ बेटा, ये कब डिसाइड किया कि ये बनोगे?
क्या?
अरे मतलब ये
नहीं कहते, ये कहते हैं.
हाँ वही सेम थिंग. कब डिसाइड किया?
आपने कब डिसाइड किया कि आप गे नहीं बनोगे?
बेटा मम्मी पापा को पता वैसे?
मेरा बाप ना लोहार है, तेरे पापा तो पढ़े लिखे हैं, समझ जाएंगे. बोल दो तू मुझसे प्यार करता है.
तुम्हें गलत फहमी हुई है.
पापा क्या गलत फहमी? कास्ती को जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था ना मम्मी, मेरी बड़ी हो गई थी. पुतलियां आंखों की पुतलियां बड़ी हो गई थी.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जिन पटाखों पे बहस कर रही है ना, वो अपने आंगन में फूट रहे हैं.
जो तुम्हारे कमरे में गंदी गंदी सीढ़ियां होती थी ना, अमन वही देखा करता था.
उन सीढ़ियों में लड़कियां होती थी.
सिर्फ लड़कियां होती थी? नहीं, लड़के भी होते थे उसमें, लड़के भी.
दोस्तों, संसद की पार्टी बीमार, बहुत बीमार. उस बीमारी का नाम है होमोफोबिया. फोबिया
डॉल्बी बीमारी लगती है
और इस बीमारी का कोनो इलाज नहीं.
हमने तुम्हारे लिए कुसुम को चुना है.
लड़की है.
तुझे क्या लगता है तेरे 7वें फेरे पर पिक्चर फ्रीज हो जाएगी? दी एंड, हैप्पी एंडिंग ना बेटा. सुहागरात से तेरा रोडी शुरू होगा. कर पाएगा टास्क? बनेगा रोडी?
बेटे की जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हैं हम.
सुनना जी, हमें पटरी पे धकेल के तुम मदर इंडिया बनना चाह रही हो?
बनूंगी मैं मदर इंडिया. मैं माँ हूँ, माँ के पास दिल होता है.
हाँ, बाप तो बैटरी से चलते हैं. ये बीमारी इसके साथ वापस आएगी.
आपका प्यार पूरा नहीं हुआ तो हर प्यार को नफरत से देखोगे क्या?
तुमने पुरुष से प्यार किया, लड़के से क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
जो प्यार इनके दिमाग में फिट नहीं बैठता ना, उसको दबा देते हैं. पर ये हमारी लड़ाई है, और एक आधी हैप्पी एंडिंग तो अपने भी बनती है. तेरी को रोज हमें लड़ाई लड़नी पड़ती है जिंदगी में. पर जो लड़ाई परिवार के साथ होती है वो सारी लड़ाई में सबसे बड़ी और खतरनाक होती है। अर्जुन को ही देख लो।
माधव साहब का लौंडा वो भी तुम्हारे गैंग में क्या?
अरे महाभारत के अर्जुन की बात कर रहा है वकील साहब ये।
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I have to rush and catch my flight. Are you the same flight? You're staying back. It's good for you. See ya, guys. God bless you. Ayushman Bhava.
Thank you. Happy ending to Banti hai.